Welcome back to the Hotep Money Channel, where we cover the latest in artificial intelligence and finance news. I'm your host, Hotep Jesus, and without further ado, let's get to the first update. Qualcomm is doing big things. They're working with Hyundai. They're working with Hyundai. They got, that autonomous driver stuff, the stuff where there's nobody driving the car. Yeah, they got that technology. SDV, ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. Focus on emerging markets like India. Shout out to our Indian cousins. They out here everywhere. Qualcomm is doing this on the Snapdragon Ride Flex system on chip technology. So that's what this is going on. A lot of stuff is happening. Doing a lot more processing on chip. So you don't have to rely on whoever's machine it is for all the compute power. So take a look at Qualcomm. Qualcomm is basically saying, do not leave me out of the AI conversation. I am in this bitch. Okay, you better put some respect on Qualcomm. Add it to your watch list. Qualcomm, I know they used to try and do phones and stuff like that, but they are the real deal now. Applied Digital had an earnings beat yesterday. I'm bullish on this company, I think. APLD, not financial advice, do your own research. They were up today. Q2 2026 results came in. Looks like they're in advanced discussions to add another client in the hyperscaler industry, with potential for new fresh leases to be signed early this year. They did have revenues of $126.6 million, up 250% from the year prior. They also have leasing deals with companies like CoreWeave. CoreWeave is also on our watch list. Look out for CoreWeave, which has signed deals for facilities as well. So Applied Digital, APLD is the ticker. CoreWeave, CRWV. I actually own CoreWeave stock. I really do. Before we continue, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss another one of these fantastic, profitable updates. Oracle's in the conversation as always. However, Figma got an upgrade. Some of us are Figma owners. I know I am. I love the Figma company. SaaS, they're in the SaaS category. Ticker FIG, and Wells Fargo has increased them to a buy rating. They have upgraded them. I think they actually upgraded them to overweight. I'm not sure. But the target price on that is $52. They increased their target to $52 on Figma. So that's good news for Figma. I think I saw Figma hit a bottom today or yesterday. So might want to take a look at that on this nice little bounce off the bottom. Snow. We do have a lot of Snow investors. Some people love to trade Snow. Some people own Snow. Snowflake. They got an upgrade too. They got upgrade by Argus. Target price of $300. And Argus is basically saying, why should you buy this? Well, it's just undervalued is what they're saying. It's a buy the dip opportunity is basically what Argus is saying. Not financial advice, do your own research. But if you're in the business to become a Snow investor, now might be a good opportunity. Just might be. What else we got in this goodie bag? Copper's up. Copper, you definitely want to figure out how to get into copper. Chat, we got to talk about copper. I forgot about this. Because of growth in artificial intelligence, and of course defense, we're taking over countries and snatching up leaders. Boost in global copper demand by 50% by 2040 is what they're projecting. It said global demand will reach 420. I would say that 42 million metric tons per year by 2040, up from 28 million metric tons in 2025, the report found. Without new sources of supply, nearly a quarter of that demand is likely to be unmet, the report found. So we're talking about scarcity. Anytime you see scarcity, you should think prices go up. Basic economics, shout out to Thomas Sowell. So that's what we're dealing with here, copper. We got to figure out where is copper, what ETFs hold copper. Should we start melting down pennies? What are we doing about copper? ChatGPT is in the health industry, officially, unofficially. So basically what they have is it's this separate thing in ChatGPT, which is your health. Okay. So there's now ChatGPT Health, and according to them, your information is safe. You don't have to worry about it leaking or them even using this to train the model on. But basically what they're saying is there's a separate part of the app where if you mention things about health while talking to ChatGPT, it'll take a note of it. So when you enter the health app, but it doesn't do it the other way. It doesn't go vice versa. So anything you say in the health section isn't going to spill into your other conversations, what they're saying. They say you can connect Apple Health Function, MyFitnessPal. Okay. And the waitlist is out now. If you want to sign up to use this, basically it seems like decentralization of your data, right? Because they said that you're supposed to use this in conjunction with your physician, which kind of makes sense. It's kind of scary, but it also makes sense. Where all of your health information, you can take your, whatever paperwork you get from your doctor, upload it to ChatGPT, and you can analyze yourself and your health with ChatGPT. So it can get interesting. It can get interesting. And it'll store that data for you. It'll store your profile, your fluctuations in weight. So you can look at it, as your own personal health advisor in some ways, but definitely in conjunction with a physician. So that's interesting. It's a quite interesting development. If you're the Illuminati, you definitely want people uploading all of their health documents to your... Anyway, Razer. I try to tell people when it comes to AI, there's one thing I'm scared of. I'm afraid of its bots. The other thing is the brain chip, aka the wearable. Not afraid of it. I have wearables, and unfortunately, I'm a big fan of wearables. Check out this new tech.
At Razer, we believe the future of wearable AI should look like this. A new vision for how you see the world.
Okay. Give me the TLDR on these pages.
Page 144 to 145.
Which tool should I use to fix my flimsy pipes?
Use the large adjustable wrench on your left. It will let you tighten the aerator and any loose fittings. Live stream is up. Your chat is waiting.
Hey, what can I make with these ingredients?
You can make a chicken pesto pasta.
Crumble the cheese, slice the tomatoes, now let it simmer. And bingo! That's how you do it, chat.
Nice job.
Can you set a 30-minute workout for me?
30 minutes starts now. 80.
Wait, hold on. They trying to play strong, Dad. Hold on. I can't let you. AI wearables, the future. It's the future. If you don't have one, you'll probably get one soon. If not, you'll probably have to buy your wife one this Christmas. Anyway, this has been your money update of the day. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you back here tomorrow. I'm out of here. Au revoir.
I remember when you was training me, man, when it was training day, like Denzel.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.